I'm walking towards the Canopy, as I call it, but it's a busy street, so you're gonna hear nothing but cars. Here it is. Let's take a walk under the canopy. It's a short one, but it's beautiful under here, friends. Look at that. So nice and green and quiet until the cars come by, but it's so nice. And then it starts to break up here. It's about 10 minutes to 8 and you breathe in the fresh air. It smells so nice. There's the sun. Where's Mr. Sun? Right there, Mr. Sun. So nice. Excuse me. And just enjoying a nice quick stroll in the morning. Oh, look what we have here. A couple of snails racing each other to the dirt. House across the street has a rooster there. I think I hear a lot of little baby chicks. So they have a rooster and some chickens behind there.